Chaturmas. The Chaturmas period begins in the month of Ashar from the day of Ekadashi called Sayan Ekadashi in the fortnight of the waxing moon. The period ends in the month of Kartik on the Ekadashi day known as Utthan Ekadashi in the fortnight of the waxing moon. This 4-month period is known as Chaturmas. Some Vaishnavas also observe it from the full moon day of Ashar until the full moon day of Kartik. That is also a period of 4 months. This period, calculated by the lunar months, is called Chaturmas, but others also observe Chaturmas according to the solar month from Shravan to Kartik. The whole period, either lunar or solar, takes place during the rainy season. Chaturmas should be observed by all sections of the population. It does not matter whether one is a grihastha or a sannyasi. The observance is obligatory for all ashrams. The real purpose behind the vow taken during these 4 months is to minimize the quantity of sense gratification and engage senses in devotional activities. In the month of Shravan, one should not eat spinach. In the month of Bhadra, one should not eat yogurt. The yogurt fast is fasting from eating yogurt by itself. Yogurt used as a binding agent for cake is not included. In the month of Ashvina, one should not drink milk. Milk fast means refrain from drinking milk. Milk sweets, milk byproducts are okay. One should not eat fish or other non-vegetarian food during the month of Kartik. A non-vegetarian diet means fish and meat. Similarly, masoor dal and urad dal are also considered non-vegetarian. These 2 dals contain a great amount of protein, and food rich in protein is considered non-vegetarian. In the 4th month, Ashwin Shukla Dashami to Kartik Shukla Dvadashi, one should not partake dicotyledon grains like gram, tur dal, masoor, etc. Similarly, one should not eat fruits or vegetables containing a lot of seeds. This also applies to tubers as ordained. On the whole, during the 4-month period of Chaturmas, one should practice giving up all food intended for sense enjoyment. Thus, reason for making a list of prohibited items separately for each of the 4 months is in the nature of dietary discipline and declared as daily regimen by the scriptures. During festivals like Sri Balram's appearance day, Sri Krishna Janmashtami or Radhashtami, all preparations are offered to the Lord, and Chaturmas Vrat of restrictive honoring of even foods in the above categories does not apply. One can honor Urid Dal Kachoris that have been offered to Srila Prabhupada on his Tirubhav. Also during the Purushottam Adhik Mas, there is no observance of Chaturmas. Chaturmas means 4 months, the time Lord Vishnu goes to sleep for 4 months. During Bhadra Purnima, Vishnu lies on Anantasesha and wakes up after 11 days on New Moon Day. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.